Hi there, Stephen, I guess. I thought I'd just make a little video to go through what's going on with the paint effects. It's a bit easier to just talk about it because there's a couple of things here that I just wanted to address. So basically, if we select this fantastic mesh that you have and you go up and try and make paintable, it will complain about the fact that this poly object does not have any UVs and cannot be made paintable. So basically we just gotta give it some UVs. So what I did is just create UVs and do like an automatic mapping, which just works fine for this, I guess. I'm not sure. It will depend on like how detailed you need to go with this, but for this example, it'll work fine. So now we've given it some new UVs, and I'm just going to delete all of the history here just to make my life a bit easier. So after I have this, I can make it paintable, and then I can go in and do this brush a bit up, do this, and now you can see I'm painting along the surface of this mesh. If I understood your video correct, then you were actually in the 2D painting part of Maya, which I don't think that really translates into the 3D space. I think you can only draw like 2D images on that. Not sure on that. If anybody else has any more insight into that, please let us know, but I've never really played with it that much. So that's basically what you got to do for this. The thing about this as well is that it relies on the normals on the mesh. So if we try to do like the grass on this, let's just scale this up a bit again. And if we paint on here, then it's all fine. But as soon as we try and go here, you can see that all the grass is pointing inwards. That's basically because you can see all these like black parts here. That's your the mesh basically be having the normals the wrong way. Thankfully, this is just a single piece, so we can just double click and go normals, reverse, and just give it a minute because it's not too happy with this mesh that you have and my machine isn't super duper. So now we've flipped those around so they're a bit nicer. So let me just delete history to keep this a bit better. And if I now go and paint on this, you can see that it goes the right way. Cool. I hope that makes sense, and have fun paint effectsing. Cool. Bye.